Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add tags to your Shopify orders in your Shopify store. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with all my upcoming Shopify tutorials. Now, let's get started. In our case, I do not have a subscription currently in our Shopify store, but I will show you some screenshots that will let you know how exactly you can do the process perfectly. So normally, if you have an order within your Shopify store, you're going to find a number going on here. This is going to show you the number of orders that haven't been fulfilled. So normally you're going to find something like that. And that's a real thing. In our case, as you can see, that is going to resemble this lot. So we're going to have something like this. Now, as you can see on the order here, we have 6 orders that haven't been filled yet. These are going to be the orders. Now, the first time, or the first method that you can go ahead and add the tags with is going to be as simple as possible. You can go ahead and select the orders. Each one of the orders is going to have a specific column or row for it. Go ahead and select the orders that you want to add the tags for. For example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After you have selected these orders or ticked or checked them, click on the 3 dots VW, which is going to be appearing right there, and it is going to take you to more options. Once you have clicked on that, it is going to show you all the actions that you can perform. From these options, we have Add Tags and Remove Tags. Now, obviously, I do not have a tag, as you can see, or they have something like tags right there, and you can go ahead and have them seen right there. Click on Add Tags is going to show you something like this. All you need to do is to write in your tag. If you already have a tag, you can go ahead and find it. If you do not have one, you can create a new tag right there. Write in or select your tag from here, check it or click on it, and click on Save. Using descriptive tags like urgent, high-value customer, or wholesale order can help you filter and organize your orders later. This is super useful if you're managing hundreds of orders per week. Now, the second method is to head over to the specific product or order by clicking on the order right there. For example, I would like to click on this order. Then we are going to scroll down on the order details, as you can see, until we find on the right side, tags. This is going to be for the case of not having a bulk adding, so that means that you're going to add an individual tag for one product or order at a time. You're going to click on Tags, and after that, you're going to have the same process to create or find a tag, select it, and click on Save. Remember that tags are internal only, they don't appear to customers. You can use them for automation, filters and reports, or even set up workflows in Shopify Flow if you're on a higher plan. And with that, we have selected or added tags within the orders. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you'd like to see more tutorials about managing Shopify stores, automating tasks, or boosting your e-commerce workflow. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you soon in the next one.